The SOLID CRS-01 is a groundbreaking electric motorcycle that blends brutalist design with innovative engineering, marking a significant step in the evolution of electric two-wheelers. Designed by Belgian duo Jeroen Claus and Fabian Breeze for VoyagerCo, the CRS-01 was commissioned by the Dutch startup SOLID EV, a company founded in 2016 by a group of motorcycle enthusiasts committed to sustainable mobility. Originally operating under the name NXT Motors, the company rebranded after its first electric motorcycle, the NXT Rage, failed to make a design impact. The CRS-01, unveiled under the new identity, represents a bold departure from conventional motorcycle aesthetics and construction. The CRS-01 is a café racer-style electric motorcycle with a striking, angular design inspired by brutalist architecture. Unlike traditional motorcycles, it features a self-supporting monocoque frame made from cost-effective sheet metal, which also serves as the exterior panels. This modular approach not only reduces production costs, but also maximizes space for the battery, enhancing the bike's range. The design is a nod to the Tesla Cybertruck, which popularized sharp, geometric forms in vehicle design. The CRS-01's industrial gray color scheme, bulky wheels, and dystopian aesthetic further emphasize its futuristic appeal. Powering the CRS-01 is a 100 volts, 21.5 kilowatt-hours battery, though specific performance details remain undisclosed as the bike undergoes final testing. The absence of aerodynamic considerations highlights its focus on form over function, with a boxy frame that defies traditional motorcycle design. The bike features twin radial front brakes by Brembo, fat tires, and a large rear-wheel sprocket, hinting at high-speed capabilities. However, its ergonomics have drawn criticism, with a minimalist seat and aggressive riding posture that may deter long-distance comfort. The CRS-01 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a technology demonstrator for SOLID EV's unique powertrain. While its design polarizes opinions, it undeniably pushes the boundaries of electric motorcycle innovation. SOLID EV plans to expand its lineup with other electric vehicles, including scooters and bicycles, signaling a commitment to redefining sustainable mobility. The CRS-01, though not yet in production, stands as a testament to the fusion of bold design and cutting-edge technology in the electric vehicle industry.